With the announcement of Paul Manafort's indictment, Democratic National Committee Chairman Tom Perez offered a head-turning theory about the future of the investigation. While an indictment doesn't guarantee a conviction, Perez seems to think the news is evidence of something much bigger at play. The Hill reported. Speaking at a breakfast with reporters hosted by the Christian Science Monitor, Perez, a former civil rights attorney at the Justice Department, said Mueller's findings cannot be overstated. He lashed out at the appalling silence from Republican leaders and said that if Clinton had won the election and had been accused of the same thing, Republicans would have impeached her immediately. According to The Hill, Perez said, "It's clear the Russians were trying to traffic in the emails and present them to the Trump campaign to help get him elected. You see with the indictments of campaign chairman Paul Manafort and his business associate Richard Gates that the rot went all the way to the top of the campaign. It's clear the investigation will continue. It's not the end of the criminal charges moving forward." In response to the decision by the special counsel on Monday, President Donald Trump said there was still no evidence of collusion. In addition, he called George Papadopoulos, a former foreign policy advisor who pleaded guilty to providing false statements to the FBI, a low-level volunteer.